How's it going? In this video I'm going to show you how to create a shortcut for a website on Android. So if there's a particular website that you visit quite often and you don't want to have to keep typing it into Google, you can just create a shortcut for it and pin it to your home screen. So what you want to do is open up Google and find the website that you want to create a shortcut for. We'll select BBC, so open the website, and in the top right you'll see the three dots. Press that and it'll bring up this menu. What you want to do is press add to home screen, and here it'll give you two options: install the app or create a shortcut. We'll create a shortcut, and then it'll ask you if you want to rename it. Just select that and then press add again. And as you can see, BBC is added to home screen, so let's check it. And as you can see, it's added to the home screen. So you can either keep it where it is, or you can hold it and drag it to the bottom if you want. And as you can see, you can just open it without searching for it. So that's how you create a shortcut for a website on Android. Thank you.